Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get the old control center on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now, if you swipe down from the top right of your smartphone, you will open the control center on your smartphone. But if you swipe down from the top left of your smartphone, you will open the notifications panel. Now, if you want to enable the old control center instead of this new control center on your smartphone, just swipe down from the top right of your screen and open the control center on your smartphone. From here, just tap on the edit button over here. Now, just tap on panel settings. From here, instead of separate, just select together. Now from here, if you go back and if you tap on done, you will change the control center from the new version to the old version, just like that. Now, if you swipe from anywhere on the screen, you will open the notifications panel and the control center together, just like that. And this is how you can get the old control center on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.